I think we are live now. Hello guys, hello. So we are live now. So let's begin. So I have installed VMware Workstation Pro. I like VMware. You can use VirtualBox, you can use Oracle VM, virtual machine, VirtualBox. You can download and use. Okay, window host, whatever your host is, you can save. Okay. Let's open our channel. So its live stream is going on. Let's copy the link. So now you can install this one also. Okay. VirtualBox also. I will be using virtual machine only, virtual VMware. So you can install this one also. The process of installing is similar. So you can install Ubuntu also. Let's fix this. Okay, so it is being installed, and you also need to download the ISO file, that is for Ubuntu. Let's see, yes, this is the Oracle VM virtual machine VirtualBox manager, and I will be using this one. This is installed, so any of these can be used. One is the Ubuntu 20 ISO file, that is around 2.86 GB. Okay, so you need to download Ubuntu. So you can open any browser of your liking, and you can search for Ubuntu download and go and download. So based on your download speed, it may take some time. So click. So it is being downloaded. See. So the internet speed is good enough. Okay, you need to download. So it is being downloaded. See, being downloaded at 2.420 Mbps speed. So let's thank our sponsors, Mediacom Broadband and local ISP based in Itanagar. Mediacom Broadband .network. The link will be in the description below. You can contact them for best prices as per your requirement. Okay, this is their website, Mediacom Broadband, a unit of Yahoo Enterprises. Get connected, stay connected. Is based in Doimuk. The head office is in Doimuk, but it caters the Itanagar. Here are the phone numbers, their address, Main Market, Doimuk, Lisa Complex, their phone numbers, their email ID, or you can send text. They will call you back. So it is being downloaded. It may take some time based on your internet speed. It is showing 19 minutes here. Today the net is a bit slow. we've already downloaded, so we'll begin now. Before that, let's check our internet speed from the Oakland Mediacom broadband doimuk. Okay, the speed is 17 Mbps download speed and 21 Mbps upload speed, and the latency is 0.78 milliseconds. Okay, so now let's begin. Let's open VMware workstation, that is I will be using. You can use Oracle VM VirtualBox. So here is the menu. Here file menus are there. You can create virtual menu, window, open new window, other extensions, so other things are there. Preferences, you can change preferences, input preferences, displays, Unity, USB, memory size, how much you can use. Okay, the view, full screen view, or you can go back, VM machines, on, off, install VMware tools, tabs, help, anything. So here is the main menu. Open virtual machine, connect to a remote server. So let's create a new virtual machine. If you want to customize, you can select custom, or recommended, that is create a virtual machine in a few steps. This is typical. Here is we don't have disk, so we will select or install later. So let's select the disk image file, that is ISO file. So that is in desktop, so we can select desktop, select the Ubuntu, or if you want to install Windows, you can select Windows. Here we have the ISO file of Ubuntu 20.04.3 desktop. So let's select is Ubuntu 64-bit 20.0 port protected. We'll use easy install. Okay, so next let's select full name for Ubuntu name, let's say research. Set some password. I will be using simple password. Okay, let's select next. So you can give any name. Ubuntu, I will give 64-bit instead of 64-bit. I will say ns2. You can select the location for the installation virtual machine. I will select 20 instead of 20. Let's see how much disk space we have. 127. So let's say, for this purpose, let's say 40. Single virtual disk. Okay, next. So hardware is showing as 4 GB base. It is taking automatically. 40 GB is the hard disk. RAM is taking 2 GB 2 cores. Okay, but you can customize it as per your requirements. You increase, decrease the RAM, number of processors, cores, those things you can change, but I will keep it as it is. So let's finish. So it will start now installing. So the installation process is beginning. It is checking the ISO file for any issues. You can skip this by pressing Ctrl+C to cancel all file system checks in the progress. installing. See, installation progress is beginning. I'm using OBS, Streamlabs OBS for streaming this session. So it's based on your system. It may take some time. My system in app is fast, so it is. I have 16 GB of DDR4, 3200 MHz RAMs, and only SSDs, no hard disk. So it is a bit fast. And I have the Intel processor. I cannot afford Ryzen right now. So our sponsors are Mediacom Broadband and DMKNews. So the links to their pages and their Facebook pages and websites are given. You can go and check out them and support them also. So the location is wrong. This is in Kona country. I don't know what is that. I am here right now at Doimuk. So installation is going on. It may take some time. Okay. So for computer science students, the admit card for UGC NET is available, and the exam date is on 26th November. So you can download the admit card using application number and date of birth, and application number and password. So that is given here now. So all the best, guys. I hope you all are studying well. See the dates. Computer science and applications is on 26th, that is shift 2, afternoon shift. Shift 2, no, I may not give. See, Tamil is on also 26th, shift 1, commerce group 3 on shift 1. So you can download and go. And for, as always, my favorite website for computer science CSE guys is that Gigs for Gigs. This is the website for busy people who don't study much like me. So everything is organized properly. See, interview corners, data structures, languages, CS subjects, GET, web technologies, software design, school learning, ISRO uses needs, paper 1, paper 2 notes is there, and very good last minute notes also. You can search last minute notes, so you can search. See, it is organized in proper manner. See, discrete set theory is the introduction to set theory, like that. See, all the topics have been covered. CNF, CFG, NF, everything. See, data structures are organized categorically. Programming in C and C++, operating systems. See, process scheduling, CPU scheduling, process management, deadlock, memory management, Unix, everything is given. Networking, computer networks, basics of computer networking, manage and others. And it is for RDBMS, ER diagrams, normal forms. So you can go through them. So it is still being installed, so this way I'm talking shit. But I think you should study. What do you say? अच्छे से पढ़िए. Keep trying. So ignore the background and my face. Work on the background. So I hope you all are doing well. It is still taking some time, so that's why we are waiting. It is saying 4 minutes more, 4 minutes 48 seconds. So let's wait till now. Now 9 minutes. So let's wait. So let me search for other things. So let's search other things. I don't remember the commands and all for those. I know the basic commands. I forgot the installing ns2 in Ubuntu. So you can always use. See, so we need to install the prerequisites first. You can download the tar package, that is zip file, and install a particular version of ns2 that we will not be doing today. See, we will not be building from source. We will just install from repositories using the command. So I need these commands. This is the prerequisites required packages for ns2. Okay, so let's open Notepad. So this I know, I don't use apt-get now. I use only apt these days. So these are the required things. This is the main thing. So this is the main important and the prerequisite files. The previous these ones we know what are these things. We are just checking the system libraries and all. These are the essential packages, libraries, whatever you call them. So let's let this installation finish, then we will start this one. So okay, I will be sharing these commands in the link that I got from Google search, so you can also get them. Okay, so why these things are coming? Because we have to, this is when we need to install particular version, we need to build it from source. We have to download the specific tar file, then build it from source, then I can validate. But before that we have to change some path name in the bash file also. This one we have to change the path name to as per our system. So it is complicated. You can do for this today's installation. We will not do that. We will directly install from Ubuntu repository. Okay, let's begin. Wait, they're still downloading. See, the internet connection seems good, but it is showing only 1.8 Mbps, 9 MB, 2 Mbps. Here it is showing differently. I think it shows incorrect. The installation is still going on. It may take some time based on your PC configuration. So oh, I forgot to do this, sorry. You may be looking at my face, sorry. The time is 11:38 PM right now here at DMKNews. Okay, So here it is still installing. So this is the main command we need. So these are the packages we need mostly. Okay, so other things are basic Ubuntu command what we do after fresh installation of Ubuntu distros, but these are the packages mostly required for ns2, that is Network Simulator 2. So we will be directly installing from Ubuntu repositories. If you want to install some specific like ns2.34, you have to download the tar file from SourceForge, I think, and have to build it from source and do have to change some things in the bash rc file. That is, the path name have to be changed as per our system. As for our system path name. So we will not be doing that these things today. We will just do a simple installation directly from Ubuntu repositories. So let's check if our installation is complete or not. Not yet done. Okay, replying to WhatsApp chat. You have to. So installation is taking some time. Internet speed is a bit slow today, not that slow, but it is good. So download is also not yet complete. So after installation complete, I always install VMware tools so that all the keyboards and other things, many things will work if you install it properly. If you install this one, so there are many options in this one. That's why I don't use. See, okay. Windows 11 is not installed yet. I'm thinking of dual booting my PC with Windows 11 and Hackintosh, that is Mac OS Monterey. I think Monterey. Latest is Monterey, I think. So this is the wallpaper of Machika town. We went there in December 2020, I think, last year, December, during pandemic. We went to Machuca. It was such a nice place. वहीं रहने का मन कर गया यार. It is such a nice place. This is the view of the town from Old Gompa. Such a nice place. My cousin and Bobby is there. They are posted there. They work there. They are having the very good time. I hope I will get another opportunity to visit the place again. I have चलो होने वाला है, few more seconds I think. This is just a time pass, what you say, streaming. I was feeling very bored, not feeling like to study as always. सो और नेट का भी प्लान चौपट हो गया. I still have not cleared my UGC net. UGC नेट ना हुआ UPSC एग्ज़ाम हो गया. इट हैज़ बीन मैनी यूज़. 5 मार्क्स, 3 मार्क्स, 6 मार्क्स, 7 मार्क्स ऐसे ही छूट जाता है हमेशा. So maybe one day, but this time I thought I will clear, but the center is given in Guwahati, which is more than 300 kilometers from here, and it is on 26th, that is on Friday. So let's see what happens, if I will able to attend the exam or not. So our installation is finished, I think. Only right now, only one person is watching the live show. No one is there. No problem. We are not a big channel. It is just for my own, what do you say, hobby. So we are installed right now. Let's go to full screen and set the password. Okay, let's make it full screen. Escape, next, and don't send my system info, privacy location band, done. Okay, so this is the Ubuntu. Let's begin. Here is the system checking. So what we need terminal, so let's bring it here. Okay, let's open terminal. So let's increase the font where we can increase the font. Let's go to preferences, profiles, nothing. I forgot the things. Yeah, we are all used to simple things like what do you say, Windows. So anyways, let's begin. I don't remember, so let's see that in next stream. Let's now go in sudo mode, enter the password. Forget the password. Okay, now let's now do the simple commands. Okay, apt, not, you don't need to use apt-get these days. You can use apt update, check for updates. You will need internet connections. Okay, done. Let's so I forgot the commands. Let's see again. Here are the commands. apt-get destroy, we don't need to just apt-get. Okay, so do apt-get GCC. Okay, let's get GCC compiler. Let's do that. Okay, not GCC, you have to put install also. Okay, 100 MB of additional disk space will be used. Okay, let's install it. Let's install the prerequisites. Okay, these are the main libraries. This one, built essential, autoconf, automake, TCL, TK 8.5-dev, perl, xgraph, libx11, libxmu-dev. Okay, so we can do that all in same one. So you don't need these commands. you can install all these packages in one command, so you don't need these. So let's copy this. Okay, now okay, so installation is going on. No one is watching though. So installation is going on. Based on your internet speed, it will may take some time. Okay, so two more subscriber got unsubscribed. They unsubscribed me. It's still 255. लोगों के सब्सक्राइबर बढ़ते हैं, हमारे कम हो रहे हैं. Anyways, I am not putting any good content, so maybe that's why. मेरी शक्ल देख के नहीं तो चले गए होंगे. Bird views are 6551. Okay, the GCC is done. Installation. Let's clear this screen. Now let's copy paste the commands. See, we are installing. No need to type apt get these days. You can use just apt install. From here we are using build essential autoconf, automake, TCL, TK, dev, perl, xgraph. Okay. Type this command, it will be given. Copy paste the command, it will be given in the description. Now let's install. Has no installation candidate. Okay, so we can do that one by one. Let's try till auto rep 53 MB. The installation is starting now. You can install multiple packages at once like this. DMKNews is having some issues. Let's see. We'll install TCL and TK together. Then we'll install perl, xgraph, libxt-dev, libx-mu-dev, and libxmu-dev. Okay, these are the prerequisites for ns2 to run properly. So we have to install those things so that we don't face in future. And pardon my English and Hindi. Nothing is good, and I can't see myself. So I can't see the camera right now, so I don't know what is happening. चलो check करते हैं. Sorry. So अभी दिख रहा है, but when I open this one, I can't see myself, so I don't know. So installation is going on. It's about okay, done. क्या हो गया? Build essential automake सब हो गया. Build essential automake हो गया. So automake हो गया. So now we will do TCL dev. Okay. Let's install apt install TCL 8.5, TK 8.5 dev, perl, xgraph, libxt-dev, libx11-dev, libxmu-dev. Okay, so नहीं हो रहा है. dev 8 में problem है. The issue is with dev TCL 8.5. no installation candidate. चलिए इसको हटा के देखते हैं अभी के लिए. TK dev भी नहीं हो रहा है. So space will be used. अभी क्या क्या हो रहा है, libxt, libx11, libxmu-dev हो रहा है. ठीक है, इसको कर लेते हैं, बाकी बाद में ट्राई करते हैं फिर से. ओके सो मोबाइल भी ठीक है, ये भी हो गया. इंस्टॉल libxt ये सब हो गया. चलो अभी फिर से क्लियर करते हैं. नाउ ओके, नाउ लेट्स अगेन ट्राई. अभी सिर्फ xgraph को अकेले करते हैं. xgraph होता है कि नहीं. अनेबल टू लोकेट xgraph. क्या स्पेलिंग गलत है कि xgraph. इसको छोड़ देते हैं. TCL 8.5 डेव को ट्राई करते हैं. नेम TCL हो रहा है, TCL डाल देते हैं. 8.5 नहीं मिल रहा है तो दूसरा TCL डाल देते हैं. 8.6 आ गया. ठीक है, ओके डन. तो TK भी नहीं मिल रहा था तो TK डालते हैं. नॉट विच वन इज कमिंग. TK भी 8.6 है. 8.5 वर्जन इज नॉट अवेलेबल इन रिपोजिटरी आई गेस. So now installation begin. It is downloading and installing. It may take some time. सब्सक्राइब कर दो यार, कोई देख रहा हो तो काइंडली सब्सक्राइब. एट 500 सब्सक्राइबर्स आई विल बी गिविंग अवे this Jabron XC type earphone. नया है, I have not used even once. ऐसे पड़ा हुआ है, ऑफर में मिल गया था. 500 सब्सक्राइबर में से दे देंगे. सब्सक्राइब करो यार. सो ये भी हो गया. TK हो गया, TCL हो गया. xgraph क्यों नहीं हो रहा है. xgraph का स्पेलिंग गलत लग रहा है. चलो इसको अभी के लिए छोड़ देते हैं. लेट्स क्लियर नाउ. लेट्स install name, that is network animator, and name 1 MB का है ये. that is 1089 KB. okay done. Now let's do an apt update again. okay done. Clear now. Let's now install. Same thing, simple process. We will not be installing any specific version of what you say, ns2 network simulator 2. that is 2.35 या 2.34 2.36 40. so जो मिल रहा है वही इंस्टॉल कर लेंगे. let's install. the command is apt install ns2. so this will initiate the installation process for network simulator 2. okay, the installation process has begun. okay, चल रहा है. okay 77% done. okay, I think installation is done. you can check by typing ns2. नहीं क्या था, ns2 वर्जन आई थिंक. नहीं ये भी नहीं था. कैसे करते हैं ns वर्जन. sorry so the prompt is there. so ns2 is installed. or I think ls करो snap cd dot ls cd user ls cd नहीं बैक करो डबल cd डॉट करते हैं cd होम में जाते हैं ls cd research use the tab button tab key button sorry I think validate कैसे करते थे यार validate ns2 फोल्डर में जाना पड़ेगा उसके लिए you have to go to ns2 so let's see ls l करते हैं ठीक है so this is for navigation so now let's download a simple TCL file to check that our ns2 is working in a simple TCL program okay for ns2 let's get this from nile.wpi so this is the basic ns2 simple वाला download कर लेते हैं ठीक है let's go to downloading folder let's go cut it to desktop so let's just so इसमें क्या हो रहा है there are some nodes 3 nodes n0 n1 n2 n3 and the connection speed is 2 mbps color में दिया हुआ है ns is color 1 blue different for data flows for animation okay this creating is created name trace file animation file out.name होगा trace file generate नहीं हो रहा tr वाला नहीं बनाया इसमें कुछ ठीक है this is just for simple file there are 4 nodes n0 n1 n2 n3 the link duplex link n0 से n2 that is n0 to n2 n1 से n2 n1 से n2 that is n2 बीच में आ गया फिर n2 से 3 there is one more duplex link or the speeds are here delay the कौन सा drop tail so if the queue is full the drop tail method will be used to so ये सिंपल वाला यहाँ से रन कब शुरू होता है constant bitrate सब दिया हुआ है 0.1 मिलीसेकंड से शुरू हो जाएगा फिर 1 से FTP 4 तक 4.5 तक सब स्टॉप हो जाएगा पर पार्ट 5 मिनट का है शायद आई थिंक 5 मिनट बोल रहा आई थिंक 5 seconds okay so here is explanation is given in the given what you see given below all the explanations are given here I will share this link also so to understand the program the explanations are given below I will not go through in deep as you all are already done more complex programs than this okay ठीक है अच्छे से explain किया हुआ है यहाँ पे देखो everything is explained in simple and very less sentences okay now let's download so we are now in research home research now let's do ls again now go to desktop ls here is the file just now we have downloaded that is ns2 so you can see the content using cat ns simple tcl see here is the file page up you can use page up see देखो okay यहाँ से शुरू हो रहा है we are creating a simulator object using set ns new simulator this is the command to create a new simulator ns and defining colors and these things you can go through them okay you can also open the same file using gedit ns open this in a text editor. So here you can go through with line numbers, colors, and for the procedures, methods, or whatever you can say, the keywords or commands. Okay, so now let's run. So the file is ns-simple.tcl. so write the command ns. Now ns, see, run हो गया. The packet size is 1000. The constant bitrate packet size is 1000. The constant bitrate interface is 080. This is okay. So here is the network animator is opened. इसको मिनिमाइज करो, इसको बड़ा करो, अभी रन करो. स्पीड बढ़ा सकते हैं आप, देखो. You can increase the speed. N1 से जा रहा है, देखो. Constant bitrate is 20, sent at 0.26 1000 bytes. 1000 bytes वाला पैकेट जा रहा है, constant bitrate. प्रोग्राम के साथ भी आप कंपेयर कर सकते हैं. वैसे प्रोग्राम में क्या दिया हुआ है, कब शुरू होगा उसको देखिए आप. ns देखो, constant bitrate start is 0.1 seconds. और सेंडिंग FTP फाइल ट्रांसफ़र प्रोटोकॉल, मतलब फाइल ट्रांसफ़र कब से शुरू होगा, 1 सेकेंड, 1 से 4 तक. उसके बाद ये हो जाएगा 4.5 में बंद. ठीक है, तो लेट्स चेक. इसे शुरू करते हैं. स्पीड तो ये ठीक है. टाइमिंग को देखते हैं, यहाँ है. इसको बैक से ले जाते हैं, शुरू से रन करते हैं. अभी देखिए, फास्ट कर देते हैं. ये 1 है, 1 से शुरू होगा. वाट FTP, तो थोड़ा फास्ट कर देते हैं. बैक 1 यहाँ है क्या. So you have to observe. यहाँ से FTP शुरू. तो 4 कहाँ होगा. ये क्या है, दिस इज TCP फाइल्स है. देखो ऐसे ऑब्जर्व करो, हमें तो नहीं आता. वहाँ से भी नोट 2 से भी भेजना शुरू हो गया. and these are acknowledgement, I think. Yes, acknowledgement file. चैट देख रहा हूँ, डोंट वरी. मेरे पास कुछ नोट्स नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. मोबाइल पे चैट देख रहा था. So I think I have to study again. I am running this after trying network simulator after 2016 or 17, I think, maybe. I don't remember, but बहुत साल हो गए उबुंटू भी नहीं किया. सो देखिए, टाइमिंग को देखिए कब तक जा रहा है. 2 से नहीं आ रहा है. देखो, लिंक 2 Mbps बैंडविड्थ, 10 मिलीसेकंड डिले. द लिंक को देख सकते हैं, 1 से 2 का बीच में, नोड 1 से 2 का बीच में 10 है. ये है 20 मिलीसेकंड डिले. बैंडविड्थ कम है, देखो 1 मिली MB. यहाँ पे 2, तो इसका मतलब कुछ पैकेट तो ड्रॉ होगा शायद. तो उसको आपको नेक्स्ट कुछ में आपको सीख सकते हैं. आप एक आपके कोडिंग में चेंज कीजिए, एक ट्रेस फाइल जनरेट कीजिए, उसको ऑक या पाइथन या पर्ल कमांड से आप उसको अच्छे से ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं कि कितना पैकेज ड्रॉप हुआ कि नहीं हुआ. ठीक है. ऑल्सो व्हाट यू कैन डू इज़ दैट देखिए यहाँ दिखा रहा है कुछ कुछ. What you can do is there, यहाँ पे कुछ कुछ आप चेंज कर सकते हैं. सपोज द लिंक का बैंडविड्थ कितना मैक्सिमम जा सकता है उसको चेंज कर सकते हैं. यहाँ डिले को चेंज कर सकते हैं. यू चेंज एंड ऑब्जर्व. और यहाँ देखो कैसे किया क्यू लिमिट and to enter it in queue limit. You can change those also. You change those things and observe. Okay, and observe. So यहाँ पैरामीटर्स कुछ कुछ चेंज करिए, ऑब्जर्व कीजिए. यहाँ एक और आप ट्रेस फाइल जनरेट कर सकते हैं, which and this is for animation, that is .name. So for trace file .tr file you can generate. Maybe in future programs आपके क्लास टीचर कराएंगे, हम तो नहीं कराएंगे. टू से नहीं आ रहा है. देखिए, तो प्रोग्राम को समझने के लिए आपको उसी लिंक पे जाना पड़ेगा. आई विल शेयर द लिंक्स इन द कमेंट. सो अच्छे से पढ़ के मैं कल से वीडियोस डालूँगा. आज तो डायरेक्ट just installed and just went live. I forgot the ns2 commands also, those things also, this program also, this syntax also. I don't remember all the things, so I go through the some videos or some lectures or some books. और इसको भी पढ़ना पड़ेगा. आपको जो दिया है the explanation for the explanation, this one simulation, the program. So you can go through this one. This one is very nicely explained. क्या हैंग हो गया? So another instance is opened. This is not good. Hanged. So let's close the simulator. name notebook animator को ओपन करते हैं. इसको अपडेट कर देते हैं. पासवर्ड मांग रहा है. अच्छा, so this is the very simple program, nssimple.tcl website or nile.wpi.edu. So nicely explained here in this explanation of the following script or program, whatever you call them. So go through this to know more about the program and the structure of the script. And this diagram is very nice, so you can understand which color is constant bit rate, which one FTP कब कब जा रहा है, सेकेंड्स में है, कौन सा कहाँ से शुरू होगा. देखिए वो भी दिखा दे. ये देखिए कहाँ तक फाइल ट्रांसफ़र ख़त्म होगा. ठीक है, 5 सेकेंड्स का ये वो है सिमुलेशन है. ठीक है, एजेंट दिखाया है 1 KB किलोबाइट, मतलब 1 Mbps है. बिट रेट सब दिखाया. देखो ये लिंक का बैंडविड्थ 1.7 Mbps, 20 मिलीसेकंड डिले, 2 Mbps नोड 1 से 2 का. इसमें थोड़ा स्पीड से जा रहा है, यहाँ कम हो जाएगा. फिर देखो यहाँ भी 2 Mbps का है लिंक का स्पीड, यहाँ कम है बस. तो इसका मतलब कुछ पैकेज ज़रूर ड्रॉप होंगे. FTP भेज रहा है TCP वाला, ये UDP वाला भेज रहा है, कॉन्स्टेंट बिट रेट वाला. मतलब UDP मीन्स वी डोंट नीड एनी एक्नॉलेजमेंट हियर. वी नीड एक्नॉलेजमेंट. सो एक्नॉलेजमेंट मे बी गोइंग थ्रू कहाँ जाएगा, नोट 0 में, जहाँ से FTP सेंड शुरू होगा, यस 1 से 4 तक. ठीक है, तो इसमें आपको ऑब्जर्व करना चाहिए. सो हियर यू हैव टू ऑब्जर्व दैट CBR जा रहा है या FTP वाला, TCP वाला, UDP वाला. ओके, सो बहुत लंबा अपडेट भी हो गया. देखो स्ट्रीमिंग हो गया. So all these links will be shared in the description below. So do like, share and subscribe. ओके, कल से वेल प्रिपेयर्ड होंगे, कुछ पढ़ के जाएंगे, अपना होमवर्क करके आएंगे. आज तो सीधा घर आए और लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग शुरू. This is the output file. This is for the animation, that is out.name. So here out.name, open, write out.name. Here this is the file, this is the file used for animation. So we can directly run the animation also. It is already run. So let's begin. cd desktop. So ns, or instead of that also we can do detect. What we can do, out.name. Linux command याद नहीं यार कुछ भी. Permission is denied. So you do a sudo no command prompt. अरे यार क्या होता था command, याद ही नहीं. So let's do one thing. ns simple.tcl. परमिशन डिनाइड है तो as you are in not sudo. prompt को देखिए. This is $sign. If you are in root, you will hash as prompt. See, हो गया run. Okay, ठीक है. This is a simple program you can run. इंस्टॉल कर लेते हैं, अपडेट बंद कर देते हैं, कल करते हैं. So let's exit, शट डाउन कर देते हैं. Now let's full screen से बाहर. So thank you whoever is watching. I think no one is watching, but thank you. It's cold today, very cold today. बारिश हुई थी. November rain. हुआ था. So good night. This was just for fun. I am not a very expert in anything. Just going random without any preparation and without after so many years. So it's 12:16 now. So good night guys, have a happy day. Bye bye now.